Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kiondra, also known as Key, and if you are new, make sure to go down below, hit that subscribe button as well as the bell button so that you'll be notified every time that I post a new video. I will be sharing with you all a natural hair tutorial. Now this natural hair tutorial is great for back to school hairstyles if you don't know what to do with your hair or if you don't want to do much to your hair, but it is great for those who do not know how to French braid their hair. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I do not know how to French braid my hair, but I decided to do this style because it's pretty much an alternative to a French braid, except it's not to your scalp. But you all will see that in the video, and plus this is more of a 2-in-1 hairstyle, which you will also see in the video. Really great for a back to school hairstyle, and as you can see, I glammed it up with some hair jewels just to give it a little spice, you know. Really like it. I really like it, and it's really quick and easy to do. It's not that hard, not much to do at all. I will put all of the products that I used on my hair in the description box so that you all can check it out. This is the hairstyle, so I'm just gonna do like a turnaround. And yeah, like I said, this is an alternative for those who do not know how to French braid like myself. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so my hair is already parted down the middle, so I'm just working on this first half right here. And as you can see, I am taking down my braids and everything. I already have applied leave-in conditioner and an oil to my hair, so that is pretty much what I'm doing right here. Now I'm just parting my hair. I'm not really good at explaining parts and everything, but I'm pretty sure just by looking at this video you can pretty much get a good glimpse of what I'm doing. But you can do as many sections as you want, but I only did 3 and the parts does not have to be perfect. So right here I'm just working on that first little section, and I'm just brushing and making sure I get all of the tangles out. But I'm going to be applying a gel to my hair just to give it some type of hold and to get away from that frizzy look. I'm just taking a brush to just smooth it out and make it look more tamed. And then I'm just going to take a rubber band and put that into a ponytail. Now I'm taking some Taliah Waajid curly curl cream, and then I'm just going to braid this section up. Now I'm just moving on to the next section and repeating the same exact steps. I'm pretty much going to do that to all of the sections. And then once I am done putting that section in a ponytail, I'm pretty much going to grab that next section after I'm done brushing my hair and put that into one ponytail. And then I'm just going to braid that section up all together. And then with this last section, I'm pretty much going to do the exact same thing. And then I'm going to do this exact same thing to the other side. So this is when I finish both sides of my hair, and then you will see that I'm about to go in with some gel just to do my edges a bit, and then after that I'm going to put a scarf on my head just to lay my edges down and to lay my hair down all together, just to get rid of that frizzy look and make everything look more smooth. So while I let my scarf sit, I'm actually going to do my makeup, and after that I'm just going to take that scarf off, and I'm actually going to add some hair jewels. So I'm going to add some at the front, and then I'm actually going to add some on that second sections of my hair. I really can't explain, but you know, you all can see. And then I'm actually going to add some jewels to the tails of my hair. I don't even know what you call that part, but as you can see, I'm applying it to those places, and that is look number 1 with this hairstyle. So with look number 2, I'm just detangling my hair with my tangle teaser, and I'm pretty much just gonna go through and shingle my hair, kind of like a little wash and go. And on my hair, I have told you all that I was using the Taliah Waajid curly curl cream. So as you can see, my hair has a lot of definition as I'm shingling my hair, and it is because of that cream. It gives a lot of good definition. Doing it to the other side, and that's pretty much it. So this is look number 2 with this hairstyle, really cute. So yeah, this is how it looks. Hopefully you all enjoyed this. Like I said, it's a great back to school hairstyle, a great French braid alternative. So yeah, make sure to give this video a like, make sure to comment, subscribe, hit that bell button so that you'll be notified, and I will see you guys in my next video.